Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this episode I am going to be showing you quickly around my local Chinese supermarket. Yeah, like I said, we're going to be looking around my local Chinese supermarket. Apologies for the shakiness of the video, but in front of us you can see all the selection of lovely sauces, soy sauces, and there I'm picking up a jar of Icobaccas premium oyster sauce. There's absolutely tons and tons in this little Aladdin's cave. Every kind of sauce that you could possibly imagine. So we've got all the soy sauces, chili sauces, dips, everything, vinegars, oils, sriracha sauces, so your chili sauces, and on across the other side we've got all of the dry goods. So this is your spices that you can do for like 5 spice powder, curry powders, and even some sugars and beans, and there's loads. There's flour here as well. This is me picking up a packet of wheat flour, thinking it was wheat starch. Totally wrong. There we go. Picking that up, putting it in my basket. Didn't work now at all. So again, following it down. The other side again. There's everything you can do for hot pot. So this is the hot pot bases. That's the mushroom one that took my interest. And various vegetables, dried and canned. Absolutely amazing little store. If they haven't got it, you can't get it. Let's put it that way. Again, this is some of the vinegars there we're looking at, and the chilies, dried chilies, loads of them, absolutely loads of them. Again, just over to the other side. This is what I was looking for, the starches. So this is where I usually pick up my bicarbonate of soda. So this is me putting back the wheat flour. Idiot. And picking up a packet of wheat starch. So you can see you got your various spices there, Bark, and then flowers here. This is me picking up the infamous Green Dragon self-raising flour. A must for all of those lovely batters that they do. Cinnamon sticks as well. There's all sorts. Like I say, there's your curry powders and all your cumin seeds and star anise and black beans and everything that you need. Everything. There's me picking up some baking soda here. Again, apologies for the shortness of the camera work. I will get better, I promise. Yeah, even there's various sauces and chili sauces. It's amazing. Now, for the next aisles, we're on to the noodles and canned section. So tons and oodles of noodles. Anything you want, from rice noodles, wheat noodles, egg noodles. Now, opposite that, we've got all the canned section. Me picking up a can of straw mushrooms. I was picking up a can of straw mushrooms. There we go. Yeah, there's absolutely everything. You see dry goods here. Oh, it's an amazing. I'm going to say all the rice noodles here, ho fun noodles, wheat noodles. Loads. Absolutely. You want it, you can get it. Then moving on to the next aisle around there, we've got all the ramen on the left. We have all like the dried candies, and then we've got the sweets along here. Loads of ramen noodles, different varieties that you can pick up from here. And on the next aisle is again more of your dried vegetables and stuff like that. This is me picking up a packet of prawn crackers, raw. And moving on down, we've got all of your basic essentials, your equipment. So you got your woks at the bottom, your chopsticks. They cater, as well as catering for the public, they also cater for takeaways and restaurants. So moving on then, we've got into the fridge section where you can get all of your fresh vegetables, and they are fresh. And this is, you've got your tofu here, your Chinese sausage, there's deep fried tofu there, and I picked up a pack of Chinese sausage. I'm showing the Chinese sausage there. And I'm moving around. Got the refrigerated sections here with all of a wide variety of dumplings that you can make, and also the wrappers for them if you want to make them yourselves. It's just tons and tons. It is literally an Aladdin's cave. And this section here is all your frozen meats for your hot pots, and as well as like your chicken feet, and you name it, you can buy it. Squid. So moving past the fridge section here, we've got the rice, loads and loads of rice, and then here's some New Year's celebration stuff. And I was looking at, quite excitedly looking at the fake money that you can put into the red envelopes. Well, I might buy some of those for next Chinese year. Excellent stuff. Moving around them, got some fresh vegetables. And then moving on to like the final section here, which is the dumplings and buns, steamed buns, all frozen of course. And that is basically it. That's the Tai Fat Company. If you want to go and see it there in Leicester, the address is up here. But that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, do remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, thank you very much. I have been Icobacca, aka David. Continue walking and rolling with me, Icobacca. Till next time, bye.